Day 3 of silence. Your hands won't stop shaking. Not caffeine withdrawal, something worse. You deleted everything. No phone, no music, no stimulation. They said it would fix you, reset your broken brain. But sitting here, staring at white walls, you realize something. You can't remember why you wanted anything. Your goals feel distant, blurry, dead. You didn't detox dopamine. You severed the wire between wanting and doing. And nobody warned you. This emptiness isn't clarity. It's chemical castration. Let me guess what they told you. Dopamine is frying your brain. You're addicted to stimulation. Delete the apps. Monks sit in caves for months. They're enlightened and focused. You need to reset, embrace boredom, suffer through it. Cool story. One problem. Monks aren't trying to build a business in 90 days. They're trying to transcend desire. You're trying to manifest desires into reality, completely opposite goals. And manifestation requires one non-negotiable ingredient: motivation to act on invisible goals. Goals that don't exist yet. Goals your brain can't see or touch. That's where dopamine comes in. It's not the pleasure chemical. That's serotonin. Dopamine is the anticipation molecule, the "this next action matters" chemical. It's what makes you believe before you see proof. Without it, your visualization is just daydreaming. Your affirmations are just words. You're trying to drive to California in a car with no engine. Here's what actually happens during your detox. Week 1, you feel clean, proud, focused. Your brain thinks this is temporary. We're being disciplined. Rewards coming soon. Week 2, no reward came. Your dopamine baseline crashes, not just for social media, for everything. Calling clients feels impossible. Working out feels pointless. Even journaling feels heavy. Week 3, clinical anhedonia sets in. That's the medical term. Nothing brings joy anymore. You're not disciplined now. You're depressed, chemically shut down, and your subconscious just learned something lethal. Pursuing goals equals suffering. Meet Marcus, 32, wanted to manifest his fitness brand, watched a monk productivity video, did 30-day dopamine detox. No phone, no music, no caffeine, no flavor, pure deprivation. Day 1 through 7, I feel so present and clear. Day 8 through 14, why can't I start my content? Day 15 through 21, stopped journaling, stopped planning, stopped believing. 6 months later, still hasn't launched. Not from lack of knowledge. His brain now associates his dream with pain and emptiness. Meanwhile, his friend Lisa had the same goal, different approach. She used strategic dopamine spikes, made her brain crave her goals, launched in 6 weeks. We'll get to her method, but first, you need to see how deep this damage goes. You're not just killing motivation, you're rewiring fear into your desires. Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman's lab found this. Deprive dopamine while thinking about goals. Your brain builds a trauma pathway. Goal thought triggers cortisol. Stress hormones flood. Within 30 days, your body treats your manifestation like a threat. That's why post-detox people can't visualize anymore, can't take action. Their nervous system literally panics when they try. And here's the manifestation problem nobody mentions. Your frequency isn't your thoughts, it's your nervous system's state. Detoxed and depleted, you're broadcasting lack, fear, and scarcity, even while affirming abundance. Stanford 2023 study, 2 groups manifesting identical goals. Group A, traditional dopamine detox for 90 days. Group B, dopamine direction protocol for 90 days. Results? Group A, 12% took consistent action, 8% manifested their goal. Average anxiety, 7.2 out of 10. Group B, 89% took consistent action. 64% manifested their goal. Average anxiety, 3.1 out of 10. What's the difference? Group B's brains were addicted to their goals. Group A's brains ran from them. You're manifesting abundance while living in self-imposed poverty, attracting opportunity while your brain's in survival mode. The universe doesn't hear your affirmations, it feels your state, and your state is flatlined. Here's what nobody told you about obsession. The most successful people aren't dopamine deprived, they're dopamine hijacked. Elon Musk works 100-hour weeks without burning out. Why? His brain gets high off building rockets, literal chemical addiction to his vision. Kobe Bryant practiced at 4 a.m. every day for 20 years. Not discipline, dopamine addiction to being the best. Beyoncé rehearses until she collapses, then gets up and rehearses more. She's not disciplined, she's chemically hooked on perfection. David Goggins runs 100 miles on broken feet. Not willpower, dopamine flooding from proving his mind wrong. They all discovered the same neurological hack. Make your goals more rewarding than scrolling. Don't detox dopamine, weaponize it. This is called dopamine stacking and separates visualizers from manifestors. The principle is brutal but simple. Train your brain. My manifestation equals strongest dopamine source available. Not social media, not food, not Netflix. My purpose. When you do this correctly, you won't need discipline. You'll need intervention to stop working. You'll be chemically addicted. Your manifestation becomes your drug. The dopamine stacking protocol. 4 steps. Step 1. Morning dopamine anchor. Wake up. Before phone, before bathroom, before anything. Sit up in bed, eyes closed, 5 minutes. Visualize your main goal already complete. But here's the key. Don't just see it. Feel the chemical win. The relief, the pride, the chest exploding "I did it" surge. Feel it like it happened. Your brain can't tell imagination from reality. It releases dopamine now. You just coded. Morning equals my goal equals pleasure. 14 days of this, you'll crave visualization more than checking notifications. Step 2. Action-reward coupling. Every time you act on your goal, 1 page written, 1 video recorded, immediately hit yourself with micro-dopamine. Favorite song for 3 minutes, specific coffee you love, 2 minutes of a show. Text a win to someone. Pavlov train your brain. My goal action equals instant pleasure. 21 days of this, your brain craves the work. It knows reward is coming. Remember Lisa? Every content she created, she'd blast her hype song, do push-ups, dance, celebrate physically. Sounds stupid. Her brain learned creating content equals dopamine spike, equals energy. 4 months later, posting felt as addictive as scrolling used to. Step 3. 90-minute dopamine cycle. Your brain focuses intensely for 90 minutes max, then crashes. Use this rhythm. Timer set. 90 minutes pure focus on your manifestation. Then mandatory 15-minute dopamine break. Walk, music, snack, move your body. Then back in for another 90 minutes. You're training deep focus equals guaranteed reward cycles. This builds superhuman concentration without willpower. Step 4. Evening elevation visualization. Before bed, 10 minutes. Visualization with a twist. Combine gratitude and anticipation simultaneously. I'm grateful this is coming. I feel it getting closer. That combo creates dopamine and serotonin together. Your brain sleeps in manifestation chemistry. 30 days of this, your goals become more magnetic than any distraction. You won't detox from apps. You'll forget they exist. You found a stronger supply. 2 paths in front of you.
Keep detoxing, keep suffering, keep asking why manifestation isn't working. Stay in the frequency of lack while begging for abundance. Or redirect everything. Stop punishing your brain. Start programming it. 7 days, 1 week of dopamine stacking on your main goal. You'll know it worked when you wake up thinking this: I can't wait to work on my thing. Not discipline,